Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can log into Zoosk. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy method, so just follow me guys, and if you have any queries or any problem, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now let's just get started. Firstly, what you need to do is just go to your web browser and just type Zoosk, and then to the first link over here. Just go with it and you will be redirected over here like this to the Zoosk website. So over here, as you want to log in, what you need to do is you'll be having an option on your top. Just go with the login option, and over here just type your email address and then your password, and then just take it as you are human and just log in from here. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away. And I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.